These are floor mats designed for the Renault Captur. They are custom-made and, in theory, should also fit the Renault Symbioz. In this video, I check whether that is actually the case in real life. This test concerns only the front floor mats, because in my case, no one travels in the back, and the original velour mats remain installed there. I don't know if the Captur mats would fit perfectly in the rear of the Symbioz, which is why I'm focusing only on the front. I bought these mats myself. This is not an advertisement, and I don't receive any financial benefit from it. I'd also like to point out that I keep the original velour mats underneath. They are well fitted, so I think they can stay there without any issues. The mats are rigid, they have high edges, and they are designed for a specific model. In this case, the Renault Captur. Visually, they look quite good, but the most important part is always the installation and how well they fit inside the Symbioz. They use mounting points under the plastic trims and also have Velcro on the bottom, which helps them stay firmly in place. At first glance, they seem to fit properly. I started with the driver's side, and the result looks very good. There are a few small details, such as one area without Velcro, but the material, which feels like eco-leather, should settle and adapt over time. In one spot, the mat is slightly raised due to the shape of the floor, but it doesn't affect usability in any way. What bothered me more with the original mats was that dirt from shoes went beyond them, under the pedals, especially on the passenger side. On the passenger side, the fit also looks good. There is just one small detail. The fire extinguisher needs to be removed, so the cover can fit correctly. Once everything is installed, the mats sit properly and the fire extinguisher can be mounted back without any problems. The high edges protect the carpet very well. The surface is smooth, easy to wipe clean, and should also be easier to vacuum. As for durability and long-term use, that's something I'll be able to judge only after more time. At this stage, I'm showing only the fit, not the durability, or whether they are worth the money in the long run. Everyone has to decide which mats work best for them. I'm simply showing how these look inside a Renault Symbioz. Just to remind you, these mats are designed for the Renault Captur. At the time of ordering, the Symbioz model was not available to choose. If you have any questions about the Renault Symbioz or compatible accessories, feel free to leave a comment. I can make more tests in the future. I only share what I've personally tested or what I know from reliable sources. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.